Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to expose you men how to make cash on YouTube in 2019 without recording films, so that is going to be step by using step video, and I've been doing this for past 365 days and it is running awesome for me, so I wanted to percentage with you guys how to do it step through step in contemporary video. So what is this video about, so you can determine if this video is right for you? So the primary element is we aren't going to apply Creative Commons. So a number of you men know what Creative Commons are, and we are not going to do that method because on occasion you may get copyright strikes. I am able to notice a few human beings getting copyright strikes using Innovative Commons, so we are not going to use that approach. I'm going to reveal you guys a way to create professional movies with voiceovers without recording movies, and I have been doing this for beyond 12 months, and as I said, it's far running notable for me. So 0.33 element is you will never get copyright moves, as I stated, due to the fact you're no longer going to use copyrighted motion pictures. I'm going to show you guys how you may create your very own content material. So 14 is I'm going to expose you guys how you may find content material to your channel the way you can, how you could create perspective, what works and what does not, and the way to grow your YouTube channel. And of root, I am going to expose you guys examples of the channels that are doing the right manner that I am approximately to reveal, guys, and I am also going to show you guys how you may monetize your YouTube channel. So that is something that you are going to look in contemporary video, guys, so allows communicate about. And additionally, if you are new to my channel, guys, make certain to press that subscribe button due to the fact we add daily films with fresh new techniques on how to make money online, so you don't want to be overdue. You do not want to miss that out, so make certain to press that subscribe button, as I stated, because new motion pictures are coming each single day, so you do not need to miss them out. So guys, so many examples the channels that are talking approximately is that is one of the examples, men. So this channel that doesn't truly create movies, they truly just provide content material with voiceovers. You could see this is probably just photographs in some of the films that they truly failed to file, so they are now not using Innovative Commons. I am going to show you men the proper way to do it. So here you could see this channel has 2.3 million subscribers, and you may see they've lots and lots of perspectives. So that is one of the examples of the channels that you can test out. This is any other is an instance cube, so that they honestly didn't create this content. They virtually failed to record this video. So I am going to reveal you men the way you can do it. And again, that is a few loopy huge channel. It has over 1 million subscribers, men, so you can see they have, and this is also fresh new channel. This isn't always a few vintage channel that simply started once, I say 5 years ago. They have commenced much less than years in the past, men, so you can see incredible ability additionally on this channel, so and any other one, and one in every of the most important ones at the YouTube is referred to as shiny aspect. So basically, again, they do not without a doubt file. You can see they failed to report this video, and I'm going to reveal, guys, how you could use this content material, something like this, in your channel. So we are not going to talk about Creative Commons because on occasion, as I stated, you may get copyright strikes, guys. So in case you need more movies like those, men, make certain to press that like button due to the fact we're going to speak approximately it extra within the Destiny, so that the software program that I virtually use to create my content, maybe you comprehended, it is referred to as Babe Video. So I'm going to expose you men the new approach on how you could use the video to create your content material. So the primary element is you are going to click on Create Challenge. So we're going to start from scratch. So while you're looking to start from scratch, you may see they're going to offer you men with heaps and lots of special films that you can actually use. So I'm going to expose you men examples, and I'm additionally going to play a few of those motion pictures so that you can see which you cannot actually get copyright strikes due to the fact they really want you men to use this video. They're making this video for you guys so that you can use them for your films. So that is, as I stated, some of the pics which you can use a number of the photo films. I don't even understand how to call it, so that you can see there are lots and lots of different extraordinary films that you can really use, so let's assume we are going to go along with. Shall we embrace water, so simply to expose, guys, that there are lots of extraordinary motion pictures that you could truly use. So here you could see I failed to surely record this video. However, you can use it on your video, guys, these days and create your personal content material, get your own facts with this wave video. So here you could see that is one of the examples. So the way you going to locate the content that you are going to record, how you're going to realize what kind of content material goes viral. So this is absolutely crucial, because in case you need to get views and you're starting from zero, you need to start looking at those channels that I supplied you, man. So what you wanted to do is you wanted to click on the motion pictures and click right here on kind. So you want to move with maximum famous, so that you're going to look what are the most famous motion pictures on this channel. So this is going to reveal, guys, what kind of content material people loves to see, so that you're going to understand which you're going to apply, what type of content material you are going to create, because it isn't smooth finding the right content which can be people hobby and additionally vibrant facet. As I stated, this is one in every of the most important channels, and that is why they could create tens of films in line with day, and you may see they may be sincerely created and lasts for 24 hours for films in this channel. So how do you do it? They do not actually file the content. They simply create some facts with the stock photographs, inventory films, and that is how they are able to push a variety of videos consistent with day, and this is how they make a whole lot of cash. So here you can see once more, this is what form of films pass viral, what type of films people need to look so that you want to discover some content. For example, this how to continue to exist by means of an animal attack. So that could be a content material that people like to see, and also that is going to get plenty of views, so that you're going to create something just like this films. You're going to get some ideas, a number of ideas, and this is how you'll sell your channel. So whilst a person clicks on this type of video, your video is going to appear proper right here within the encourage bar, because you are developing something much like this video, and when you create something comparable, you are going to appear right here in recommended bar in case your video is definitely suitable, satisfactory, and additionally they have got excessive watch time. So no longer always your video goes to appear proper right here. So make certain to put up everyday content. So let's say we're going to create how to survive wild animal attacks. So you're going to click on water, and we are able to use some of the even a number of the videos proper here. So let's see this one. Shall we embrace? We're going to talk approximately sharks in our video. So let's click on add, and we're going to mention here the way to survive. We will make it, we are not going to go into right here subtitles. So let's say that is our beginning content. So here you may see while you click on, you could actually enter a number of the stickers. Let's consider we are going to enter something a random. I do not even realize what to add, because I failed to truly plan to create this video, but you can see how easily it may be achieved, because you may create your own films within the closing some seconds. So for some purpose, let's placed minutes. I do not even know why, however, simply to expose you guys how you could easily drag and drop stickers right here, and when we click on right here on this button right here, we are going to record our voice. So we are going to do voiceovers for these professional films. So allows record something, that is how you may live on vile animal assault. That is how you could live to tell the tale vile animal attack. So that is just an example. We are going to feature our voiceover, and when you click on publish here, you may see you can download your video, or you can directly upload it to YouTube. So shall we embrace? We're going to click on percentage on YouTube, and now you need to connect your YouTube channel, and you could sincerely add this video from a video immediately from to your YouTube channel. So this is most effective. A 16-second content. You do not want to create a 16-second content material. You need to create 22 or 3-minute motion pictures, so that you can in reality combine those inventory videos and create your own content material on specific content material. And while you download truly the video, it is going to be a whole lot better. Fine, right now it's Miles doing, we are growing this video stay. So that is why this video isn't always the first rate satisfactory proper now. So you can see that is how you may live on combat anymore assault. So to be just pronouncing this random stuff, I don't even understand why I said that. However, you can see that we've got created some seconds of fantastic content material that is, in reality, a song content, and the video is genuinely expert and everything is associated. You can find whatever associated to, shall we say, shark assault or something like that. We can cross right here and maybe kind and shark. So here you can see we have observed 24 seconds of shark, so we can also add that content material to our video. Additionally, so that you can see we've now over 30 seconds of content material, so you can see how you can effortlessly create your own motion pictures and simply click right here on put up. You can sincerely download it to your computing device, or you can immediately add it on YouTube via clicking this button right here at once. Percentage it on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or something like that, or you can see right here you may download it at once for your desktop. So, a number of those motion pictures you truly want to pay. This is how a video makes cash. However, that is not the hassle, due to the fact we're working on a good deal higher, a lot larger manner to on growing cash or with YouTube, so that you're no longer going to worry approximately paying for a person to films. You may truly create a variety of content material free of charge, as I stated, and the movies that I have used proper now or loose movies, so you do not really want to pay for whatever right now. So guys, to be able to be it for today's video, and additionally a way to make money on this channel when you attain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can truly sign up for AdSense and ran ads in your videos. So numerous you men are going to say, am I going to get accepted for AdSense for creating this type of movies? Yes, I have a YouTube channel with over 50,000 subscribers, so I am the usage of same content from very video and am importing, uploading it at once to YouTube channel. So this had technique absolutely works 100. I have made some money doing this approach, and that I wanted to percentage with you guys how you can begin your very own YouTube channel. So the channels that I have proven, you men have heaps of lots of viewers, tons of subscribers, and they're all earning profits with this identical way. So every now and then they're not going to make cash from ads, they're going to make money with affiliate advertising and marketing, but typically those kind of channels make cash from ads. So guys, that would be it for cutting edge video. If you want to look more videos like those men, make certain to press that like button, and also if you are new to the channel, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thanks men for looking. See you soon and back.